this is Kenny with FAFCO. In this video, I'll be explaining to you the requirements for mounting SunSaver and SunSaver ST panels on different roof types like comp shingle, barrel tile, and flat tile. Our SunSaver panel is our solid body panel. It's easy to install on comp roofs, it's our flagship product, and it has the best in-class thermal performance on the market. Our ST panel is our split tube panel. It has less wind resistance than the SunSaver panel, so it requires less body straps, and it's really easy to install these on tile roofs. Both SunSaver and SunSaver ST panels can be mounted to the roof using body straps and either header straps or header clamps. As with any roofing work, you'll want to make sure that you're sealing all the penetrations in the roof using an industry standard method. When installing SunSaver panels on a comp roof, you can just lay the panel directly on the roof. You'll generally want to use about 3 body straps for an 8-foot panel, 4 body straps for a 10-foot panel, or 5 body straps for a 12-foot panel. Check with your local jurisdiction for their wind load requirements. When installing ST panels on a comp roof, it's recommended to lay them so that the strip is facing up, and then you'll want 1 body strap at the bottom of the panel about 4 to 12 inches up from the lower header. It's important to know that you shouldn't place these SunSaver panels directly onto tile roofs without any support underneath. When installing SunSaver panels on either barrel tile or flat tile, you'll want the panel to be supported at least every 16 inches. You'll want the mounting hardware to be placed on runners so you can evenly space the hardware between the panels. If the mounting hardware isn't placed on a runner, especially on barrel tile roofs, it can lead to the hardware being placed on the valley of a tile, which will then have the body strap pull on the panel and will cause future leaks. There are 2 methods that we recommend that will provide adequate panel support. The first is to use runners under the mounting hardware. This will end up placing the runners about every 24 inches down the panel. You also want to use a supporting material like corrugated roofing in between the panel and the roof. The other method is to place runners at least every 16 inches down the length of the panel. This can be accomplished by placing a runner under the edge of each tile. You will want to make sure that the runners are at least as tall as the tile so that the tile doesn't abrade on the panels. With this method, the panels will be held off of the roof by the runners and you won't need any extra supporting material. For tile roofs, you'll be using the same body strap count as with comp roofs. When installing ST panels onto either barrel or flat tile roofs, you can just place the panel directly on the roof with the strip facing down. You will not need any extra supporting material like runners or substrate to span the length of the panel, though you will still need 1 runner under the panel for the body strap mounting hardware, which will be placed about 4 to 12 inches up from the lower header of the panel. This has been a general overview of installing SunSaver and SunSaver ST panels on different roof types. For more information on mounting panels, you can check our SunSaver and SunSaver ST installation manuals. In them, you'll find more information on mounting panels on ground racks, metal roofs, and other detailed installation information. It is important to follow the guidelines set forth in the installation manuals to maintain the integrity of the FAFCO systems and their warranties.